Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, you read the title, I am going to be doing a sleek glow bun, but with extensions. Now I had these extensions for a minute, and those extensions are her given hair. But before we get into this video, thanks so much if you're new. Thanks so much for joining, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And to all my returning subscribers, thanks for coming back. Yeah, so sorry, the box is all broken up. This is how long it's been. But my mom bought this like a couple of years ago, but she has locks, so she handed it on to me. Now I'm gonna be honest, I'm not gonna be those YouTubers who's like, oh yeah, go try those clip-ins. These clip-ins are expensive. I know when my mom purchased them, they were expensive, so now they're probably even more expensive. So I'm not gonna say like, oh, go get this, but I definitely do like these clip-ins, and I'll show you guys more in depth, but they come in different lengths. As far as how I do a little sleek bun, I already have a video on that, so I'll link that up in the card so you guys can check that. I'm gonna fast forward the whole sleek bun part and really focus more on her given hair. But just to show you guys what I'm going to be using, I am going to be using the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil leave-in treatment. Similar to the other one that I like, I did purchase another one of the other Shea Moisture that I like as well back before, and I also like this one as well, so I'm going to be using this just to add some moisture in my hair, because I just washed my hair like 3 days ago, and the only reason why I'm doing a sleek bun is because tomorrow's supposed to rain and I have to go out and I might be in pictures. So I was like, what can I do to like look presentable yet cute for pictures? And then of course my good old Wetline Extreme is what I use to sleek my buns. So that is what I'm going to be using, and we're gonna get straight to it. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and yeah. So generally I like to do my glow buns in sections, and I did this pretty fast in comparison to my last video. I feel like I did a little more sections. Maybe I didn't, I don't know. In the front I do like 2 sections because I want to make sure that it lays flat. So I went in with the Shea Moisture leave-in, and then I just take the Wetline Extreme and then slick down my hair, and then just add it to that section. So I normally do this when I'm doing like a bun where I'm adding the extensions. I separate my puff or into 2 twists just to keep my ends protected, and then I just go ahead and wrap it around with a scrunchie. Now to the Her Given hair. Now I forgot to mention this, but this Her Given hair, so it's actually a kinky texture and it's 14 inches long, just so that you have a reference. I know they also have different ones like coily, I believe, and curly, so there is different types, and there's also now I believe they make wigs as well, so yeah. So I kind of just look and see like which length is gonna work. Sometimes I end up taking it off. As you can see, they're all 14 inches, but some pieces are longer. I was just showing you guys different sizes, and some clip-ins are just shorter, but I thought they were different lengths, but actually they're all 14 inches. So like you see, there's clips, and actually the clips need to be changed, but I don't know how to do that. Maybe I'll watch a YouTube video. I do still have some need clips, because they have clips like when you want to change it as they get like rusty looking. And you can actually wash this hair. I've washed it like a couple of times actually, so even though it looks like it's rough, it's not. But again, the texture is kinky, so when it dries, it's gonna have the kinky effect to it. But you can wash it. I've washed it like I wash my natural hair, and with shampoo and all that, and then I detangle it with conditioner. So that's what's great about this hair. It all depends on how big you want the bun, but honestly, I thought 2 was good enough, 2 of the clip-ins, and it was more than enough. And then I used this again. So I used to use hair clips, but then that was just too many hair clips to pin. So now I found out easier ways just to use a scrunchie and just scrunch it down. And then if you have to just add any extra stuff, you just put some clip-ins so it doesn't show anything. I mean, sorry, not clip-ins, hairpins, so it doesn't show anything. So I'm gonna tie it down because it is frizzy. And this is like my go-to scarf whenever I do sleek buns, because it's the only one that stays and actually ties down my hair. I'm sure there is satin scarves, but I do have a satin one, but it always falls off, so. So it's been a minute. I think it's been like 30 minutes, I don't know. So it's been a minute. I think it's been like 30 minutes, I don't know. I was watching shows. And so if you guys saw, like, I don't know, I can't really see it. But if there's any like parts where you see the clips that I showed in Her Given hair down here, normally what I do is I just take like bobby pins and stick it and kind of fix it so it's showing. This is what I like. I can't really see. I feel like it's a little fuzzy. I don't know. Pretty much I'm about to tie it back again to leave it for the rest of the night. I don't plan to bother it or disturb it, so it can really lay flat and dry fully. But this is what it looks like, and then tomorrow I might just do my little side swoops and what have you. And I'll just fix the back of the bun a little bit, because I kind of do like it to look not too uniformed and kind of look a little not fuzzy, but a little messy, because it isn't my, like, the hair type is not exactly my hair type, but it blends pretty well. So this is actually the next day. I did add a little bit more gel to like my edges and a little bit of the front because it was kind of fizzy, so now you can see it's really sleeked down and laid. And yeah, so that's how my hair ended up turning out the next day, of course, because I left it laid down. But anyway, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.